How would you like to make 10K per month in profits by starting your very own advice sharing business, online consulting? Even if you're just a beginner in business, anyone can do this. Guys, anyone can do this. Watch this free training that teaches you exactly how to achieve what I've done to go from 0 to 30K a month. And no, it's not just me getting success. Multiple other students of mine are getting the same, doing this one thing online. Okay, look, you can see here students that said, I've just made my first 19K in 1 month. Absolutely delighted. There's some screenshot results. Anyone can do this. Welcome to the Six Figure Consulting Masterclass. This free training is for you to learn exactly how to go from 0 to 6 figures. Watch the training now. Make sure you have pen and paper. Here we go. You see, when I got started, I was broke. Okay, I come from a poor family. We don't have much. We were lucky to go to live in Europe, and then grew up, had a part-time job, but secretly I desperately wanted to start my own business. And anything that I can do online, I tried it. I'm sure some of us have tried it, but nothing has worked. Everything just failed. I was miserable, feeling this depression and just not understanding why nothing is working. But it wasn't until I discovered the world of online consulting, aka advice sharing, where you can share your advice as a coach or consultant to companies. And this business and my whole entire world changed. This is exactly what you're going to learn, how to fast track my 10 years experience in literally 90 days from the trainings and the learning of this video. I discovered the world of online consulting, sharing my advice and getting paid for it heavily and handsomely well. Okay, so today, thank God, at the end of the day, I got the right knowledge, and today my online consulting business is now on track to doing 7 figures this year. You can see the picture in the middle there is a screenshot I took recently from just one of our 4 payment processors. Okay, you can see the left-hand side here. I now live in Dubai, out in the UAE, United Arab Emirates, enjoying a bit of sunshine out here as we set up our second branch of our company. By the way, I've also been mentored by the best. Now, it took me 10 years. I won't lie. I failed for the last 8 years of those 10 years, but you get this exact results because you're going to do the exact same things I'm going to teach you. Therefore, I'm fast tracking your success. That's what you need to do. Model from people who are doing it. Okay. And listen, maybe you're wondering right now, why should you listen to me? Well, I've also click somewhere below to continue watching this free training. When you click somewhere below, it will take you to a landing page that looks something like this, where you enter your details and we'll send you this training. It's absolutely free of charge, completely 100%. It will show you a page where you can then get access to and watch the training at your own leisure. Do this right now. Click somewhere in this video. Do it right now.